What is poppin'? It's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make videos longer than 1 minute on TikTok. Now if you don't know, on TikTok they have a maximum 60 seconds to each video. You can't make any videos longer than that, but with today's tutorial you'll be able to make videos as long as you want. You can literally upload a movie to TikTok if you wanted to. Now for whatever reason you guys do not believe me, you can go to the end of the video and I'll have the proof of my video that I made that was 1 minute and 30 seconds long. I even had a timer set up to show proof, and honestly this whole tutorial is pretty easy to do, so you guys will be able to do it in no time. Before we do get into things, if you guys could go down and leave a like on this video, it'd really help it out grow, and subscribe to the channel as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers. That is the end goal. That is what I want to hit so I can get that YouTube play button. So please guys, help me out with the dream. Subscribe. I upload quality videos on gaming stuff and TikTok videos, so please do hit that sub button. It's free to do. Alright, let's get right into this. So first off, you want to go to a website called Cloud Convert, and you want to get your video that you downloaded or that you made, and you want to convert that video that is probably already in an MP4 to WEBM. Now there's a bunch of ways that you can convert it. The easiest way is to use this website called Cloud Convert by just dragging the file onto the website and converting it to WEBM. The problem with this website is that if your file is too large, so for example if you wanted to convert like a movie, this site would not allow it because it has a maximum limit. Thankfully the video that I uploaded was only 1 minute and 30 seconds, so it wasn't very large, so I could do it on this website. However, if you run into the problem that your video is too big, a alternative is using the VLC player. I'm not going to show you guys how to convert it. You can definitely just look up another tutorial, but it's pretty simple to do. Alright, so once your video is done and it's converted into WEBM, what you want to do is download this program called HXD. HXD is kind of complicated, but honestly it's pretty simple once I explain everything. So what you want to do is go to the top left, click file, then open, and then find that WEBM video that you converted. Select open, and then what you want to do is hit Control F on your keyboard, then go over to hex values. Then in search for, you want to type in the numbers following: 44, 89, 88. Then select OK. And then it's going to highlight these numbers right here, and all you want to do is select 88 and then go 5 over. So at the end of it, you should have 6 numbers highlighted. Then what you want to do is go onto the Google Doc listed down in the description and copy those numbers, and then select Control V on the HXD program like so. Then you want to do file and save, and just save it, and bam, everything is completed. Then you can go to TikTok and actually upload that WEBM file. And if you did all the steps correctly, it will work properly. I'm going to show proof at the end of the video to make sure that you guys know this is legit. But yeah guys, if you have any questions on anything, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. I'd be happy to help you guys out. And if you are new, please do consider subscribing, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers. And if everyone listening right now just hit that sub button, we could definitely hit that goal. Subscribing is absolutely free, and if you have a second account or a third account, please do hit that subscribe button. Anyways, it's been your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace. See ya later.